Hello everyone, welcome to Nanda's cookbook. As Christmas is coming nearer, today I have come up with cake recipe, that is vanilla cream cake with homemade cake frosting. So let's start. First of all, let's prepare cream. For that we need 1 cup of malai collected from boiled milk. The malai should be chilled. Beat it with the help of beater or whisker. Beat it in medium speed. To that add half cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and beat it till the cream turns stiff. You should get perfect stiff cream. Take a spoon of cream, flip the spoon. If the cream doesn't fall, you got a perfect stiff cream. Now let's preheat the pressure cooker. For that, place a stand in pressure cooker. Remove the gasket and whistle of the lid. Close the lid and preheat it in high flame for 5 minutes. If you are baking it oven, preheat at 180 degrees for 5 minutes. Now to prepare cake, crackle 2 eggs in a mixing bowl. Beat it with the help of beater or whisker. Beat it well till it turns fluffy. Now add 1/4 cup of oil. I am using refined oil. You can use butter or ghee. To that add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Beat it again. Turns into silky smooth consistency. Now place a sieve. Sieve the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and sieve it without forming any lumps. And mix it using cut and fold method. By mixing it in cut and fold method, the cake will be fluffy and soft. Mix it well. Now add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it again. If the batter consistency is too thick, adjust the consistency by adding 1/4 cup of milk. Beat it again. Now let's grease the mold. Grease it with oil and dust it with maida, or you can also use butter paper. Now transfer the batter into the mold. Tap it twice and place it in a preheated pressure cooker. Close the lid and bake it in low flame for 30 to 35 minutes. Baking it in oven, bake it under 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Now let's check whether the cake is baked. Place a toothpick. If the toothpick comes clean, the cake is perfectly baked. Turn off the flame and transfer it. Let it cool completely. Once it cools completely, scrape the edges. Flip the mold and tap at the bottom of the mold so that the cake demolds easily. You can see the fluffy and soft cake. Now flip the cake and cut it into 2 layers. Flip the cake and cut it so that the cake cuts evenly. Now apply the cream at the bottom layer. Place the top layer on that and apply the cream at the top layer and also at the sides of the cake and garnish it with cherries. The yummy and soft vanilla cream cake is ready. So friends, try out this cake recipe and surprise your family members for this Christmas and birthday. So friends, hope you liked my video. Wish you all a Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's Cookbook.